What's going on YouTube? So today we are going to move the vlogging setup from my Bell qualifier over to my Shoei RF 1400. We're also going to be installing a transition shield, a chin mount for the GoPro, and the pin lock visor for the transition shield. So let's get into it. Alright, I removed everything from the Bell and now let's put it on the Shoei. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to remove this face shield since I am going to replace it with the transition lens. We'll just get this out of the way while we install the microphone. So to remove the face shield on the Shoei, there's a little lever here. You're going to push this forward. This whole assembly is going to slide forward a bit. You're going to pull this towards you and up, and it'll come right out. You'll do the same thing on the other side. Pull this towards you. You're going to pull it towards you and up. It comes right out. We're going to set that aside. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to first start taking the chin snaps out. Now we're back. Alright, now I've got everything opened. I'm going to go ahead and start routing my microphone. I have a purple Panda here. I'm just going to tuck this in the top. It never bothered me in my other setup. I do have this adapter here for the for my GoPro 9 with the media mod. You have to have this adapter for it to work. It's kind of a pain, but let's see. So if I remember, the media mod plug-in is going to be here. So I'll have my microphone on the opposite side. Yeah, so I'll set it probably somewhere here. I should probably have some tape to make that a little easier on me. But for now, I'm just going to leave this hanging out. I'll leave this hanging out up here. Alright, so yeah, this piece is too big to sit right behind the snap. It's not going to let it snap, so I'm just going to have to put it right in front and just deal with it for now. Set it up in the chin curtain and bring it out like that. So yeah, basically it's going to sit just inside the chin curtain, plugged into the GoPro there. That'll work. Alright, that is the microphone installed. Next thing we're going to do is install the chin mount for the camera. First thing you want to do, they provide you, chin mounts provide you with some alcohol. You're just going to clean the area where you're going to put it, allow it to air dry. They're also going to want you to heat the they're going to want you to heat the glue. Alright, so I am going to get it centered where I want it. I think there looks good. I need to get a helmet, don't it, for this kind of stuff. Take the backing off. And then we're gonna heat it up. I stole my wife's hair dryer. Alright, it should be good. Nice and warm. Alright, now I'm going to line it up where I want it. I don't think you'll be able to see this, but yeah, looks good. Okay, and then press and hold it. Alright, so I got it where I wanted it. What I like about these chin mounts is they make them specifically for these helmets, so it fits the curves perfectly. On my my Bell helmet, the chin mount that I ordered, when I put it on, I forgot to clean it with alcohol, so it started coming off. So what I had to do was I took some epoxy, and I had to actually epoxy around the edges so it didn't want to fall off. But I remember to clean it this time, so hopefully I don't have that problem. Alright, now that's how it looks. Now you just gotta install a little GoPro mount. And Chin Mounts recommends you to leave this on here to dry for 24 hours before you install the camera and ride it around. Alright, so just like that, I have my GoPro mount. Nice, sleek design. Alright, so here is the pin lock shield. The visor, again, transition lens, is brand new. If it's not a new visor and it is a used visor and you're installing a pin lock, make sure to clean the visor before you install it. Pretty self-explanatory. You have a little up arrow. Just make sure that when you install it, the up arrow is facing up. You're going to take the notch and slide it into the pin lock on the left side, and then you're going to have to stretch it out. Try to slide. Size double check, make sure it's seated all the way in the pins. This was my first time installing a pin lock, so stretching the visor out like that didn't feel too good, but looks like it's in there okay. Alright, and then just take the protective film off. there you have it. And then we will install it back on the helmet, and installing is fairly simple. It is the reverse process of putting it on. So you're going to push this pin forward. You're going to align the two tabs there. Okay, that side's in. Same thing here. Push the tab forward. Align that tab. Align that tab. Push that forward. And make sure it opens and closes. One more thing, Shoei does provide you with some silicone oil, and they want you to apply a small bead of oil on the seal. It'll help seal the bedding to the shield. Another thing is it is adjustable, so it has this lever here. In the up position, that is the standard position, but if you pull it down, it'll pull the shield closer to the bedding, creating a better or a tighter seal if needed. So that is it. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. I'm excited. I can't wait to get out there. I will do a review on the transition lens as soon as I can. It is really cold and cloudy outside. It's winter, so I probably won't get the best performance out of it immediately, but I'll get something out there shortly. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you later. Peace.